Hello everyone, in this demo I'm going to show you how single sign-on works for an SWA application in Okta. Now I'm going to log into my Okta demo tenant as a cloud user. Once logged in, I'm going to switch into my Okta's admin portal. In here, I'm going to add an SWA application called Workflow Max. SWA application is nothing but secure web authentication application. Once the application is added, I'm going to assign a user to this application. So now I have added the Workflow Max application to the user Soumya. Now I'm going to sign in from Soumya's Okta user portal. Once logged in, we can see that I have got a notification stating that I'm assigned to Workflow Max application. In order to access this application, I need a browser plugin called Okta Browser Plugin. Now I'm going to install this plugin. Once the installation is complete, we can see the plugin added in our browser. So let's shift to our Okta's user portal and refresh it once. Now I'll be able to access this application, but for the first time, a pop-up appears where we have to enter the credentials for the single sign-on to work. Once you click sign in to the Workflow Max in the pop-up that appear from the Okta browser plugin, you'll be able to access the application. So I'm going to log out from this application and access it again from the user portal. So let's shift back to my Okta user portal. Here the Okta portal needs a confirmation whether our sign-in was successful. I'm going to click yes since we were able to access the application. Now I'm going to click the Workflow Max application again. This time I won't be prompted to enter the credentials and will be able to access the application without any hitch. So this is how single sign-on works for a secure web authentication application. Thank you.